Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first video, so please like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me what I need to work on. Anyway, I'm going to be showing you today how to put on, install your wig. Not much to install. Don't gotta use no glue, don't gotta use no nothing. Just
Wait a damn minute.
put that hoe on. It's got a band and 3 clips in it. So let's put my hair in a ponytail. If your hair can't fit in a ponytail, then that's probably the best thing for you. So don't have really much of a lump in your wig. But if you can, then you're good. So what you're gonna do now is grab your wig, put it on.
That is so embarrassing. Did y'all just see that? It's a good thing there's not a lot of y'all on here.
Make sure the hairline isn't in the middle of your head because you don't want to look like a freak. Pull it back. Perfect. Now, comb that hoe. Very straight. Make sure it's no bumps. If you want to re-straighten it, that's fine. I like mine a little fuzzy. And yeah. Don't need no glue. Don't need a wig cap. Don't need anything. Just go about your day because you're going to take it right off anyway. But you do want to make it look good. If you don't want the line to really show, you just want to, like, you know, get like a kind of swoopy woo to it, like that. Then it'll be looking good. That. So there is my 12-inch not so install. And if you don't like anything, that's just put on something to cover it and you'll be looking fine. To be honest, it's not that much of a problem. Simple shit. Anyway, and please comment some suggestions of videos because I didn't even know what to do. Thank you for watching.